Hello and welcome to Freedom Learning. This video is dedicated to the presentation of how to create multimedia contents within LearnPress or WordPress. Let's begin. The first thing you do is you have to open up your dashboard or a WordPress dashboard. Within dashboard, find the LearnPress and then open courses. When you open the course, you will be able to see the list of courses which you have already created. Among the courses, select the course which you would like to add contents to. For example, let's take General Science Grade 2 course, and I have to click Edit to open up. Once you open up, the first thing you see is the description section of the course. Now, here is the description section. Previously, I did not put anything on the description section, therefore I see nothing. Now let me scroll down and go to the curriculum section. Under the curriculum section, I can see that one module and two lessons are created. The first lesson is about mammals. Now let me see if I have created few contents previously. To check that, or to edit or to add or to delete any part of this lesson, you have to go to highlight it and go to the pencil part where it says edit an item. When you hover it, open up. After it opens, you must be able to see all the contents you previously created and saved. Now, I created the content about mammals last time, and I also included the definition of mammals in the form of paragraph. And again, I created objectives. These are all texts. Now today, I am going to show you how to create or how to insert multimedia contents within your lesson or within your content. So the first thing you should do is you must be able to see the text editor button. That is the plus sign which says add block. To get that, you have to click at the end of any of your texts at the end and click enter. Now, when you click enter, you will see this plus sign, and when you highlight, it says add block. Click the add block, and you will see all kinds of blocks in the box. So let me select one of the multimedia elements, for example, image. Multimedia elements are those contents which students can enjoy by looking at or by playing video, by watching the image, or creating a gallery. So the first example I'm going to give you is how to create or insert images into your content. Simply select the word image, the icon image in the block editor, and select that block. This is called the image block. Now I clicked it. When you clicked it, it gives you three options. You can either upload the image directly from your computer by clicking the upload option, or you have to go to the media library, click it, and see the collection of contents in our library. Or if you don't get whatever you need in our library collection, you can just go and check the third option, which is insert from URL. Sometimes you can upload your image in your server and get the URL and bring that URL embed in the text. Now today, I'm going to show you how to directly upload images from my computer. Let me see. Click upload. When you click upload, it gives you the option to select from your computer. Now I selected the desktop, and under desktop, I can get my documents. And here I have one image of a cow. Let me click that and upload it. Now you see that your image is successfully uploaded. If you want to make it larger, you can drag and make it large. If you want to make it smaller, you can drag and push it back, would be smaller. So depending on the design of your choice, you can make it full or half. But sometimes you might choose to make the image to the left and the text to the right. In this case, you have to come up with another kind of tool, which is block. It's called media and text block. In order to do that, what we can do is go to at the end of your block editor and click enter. So when you click enter, you must be able to see that part where you can insert your contents. See that? Now I can get the plus sign. When I open up the block editor box, it gives me the option to select. So I select media and text. Now you can see that media and text here. Click that. Now it gives you two sections. On the left side, you can upload images. On the right side, it says content. You can put content. So let me add image and content side by side. Let me get the content from my Word document. So for example, I see why a cow is a mammal. I copy this content and I would be pasting this to my content side right here, and I pasted it. Now on the right side, you can see that I have text. About on the left side? On the left side, I click upload and that image from the desktop and open up. Now you can see that I have the cow to the left and the text to the right, side by side. Or I can make the picture of the cow to the right and text to the left. How? Going to this tool editor. On this media editor or block editor tool, you can have this option, show media on the left. If I click the other side, it shows the image to the right. Look at that. Now the image comes to the right. If you click here, the image becomes to the left. So sometimes you can do by changing vertical alignment or horizontal alignment as well. If you want to replace the image, you have to simply click replace and upload the new image of your choice. Now, let me go to another example and let me show you how we can insert video. At the same way, you can find this block plus sign and click to see the block editor. This time, let me insert video. To insert video, you have to search video. So you have all kinds of options to insert video. Either you can insert video from YouTube or from Vimeo or from VideoPress or video directly from your computer. Now, if you have a video in your computer, click it and then you can upload the video. Or if you have one video in your media library, you can use that from your media library. Now, as you can see, now I am just adding this block under the text now, which I don't want. Therefore, let me remove it and put it as new. In order to remove any block, for example, if I want to remove this block, you have to go to the block editor tool, click option, and at the end, when you scroll down, you can see the option delete. Let me click it, and now it moves out. So you can get another one by inserting the text into your site. Or if you want to add at the top, for example, you can click it here, enter, and get the plus sign, open up, and select video. When you have the video dialog box, click upload, and then I have video, click the video and open. Now it's going to open up and upload it immediately. Now this is a video which I have already created for this lesson, and therefore you can have all the videos, the texts, the images, and images side by side with texts. These are some of the multimedia elements we can include or insert when we create our lessons. So everything you can see, or everything is available all in your WordPress block editor. That is, click it. If you want to see the entire picture, instead of searching by typing the keyword, you simply click browse all, and you can see all of them under the text category and under the media category. If you want even to learn more, what you should do is go to the kind of block, and when you highlight this, it gives you the description of what the purpose of that block editor is. So by learning, by teaching yourself how you can use and for what purpose you are going to use, you can experiment them as much as you want. That's how you can master your skills of WordPress. Thank you so much for today. We are going to see the next section on our next video. See you then.